Hey Sunny Crew, I'm your coach, Sam Candler. You are joining us for such a fun workout. This is part of our 5-minute Tabata bite-sized workout series. And today's workout, this one is all about our shoulders. So all you're gonna need is a set of dumbbells. And trust me, you may wanna err on the light side. For me, I've got my mid-weight dumbbells and I've got a lighter pair just in case I need them. We're gonna get warmed up. We're gonna do a Tabata style workout, which means we'll go for 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. We'll repeat 8 times, then we stretch and we're out of here. So you ready to go? We're gonna get warmed up with shoulder circles. So what we'll do is 2 big circles backwards, and then 2 big circles forwards. That's it, and then we're gonna do 2 medium circles backwards, and 2 medium circles forward. And then we're gonna start to get into some small ones back, and some small ones forward. So I want you to keep that going, big, medium, and small, forward and back, as I show you the only exercises you need to know today. The first one is an overhead press. Keep your core tight, we're pressing straight up. Your second exercise, the lateral raise. Those arms are gonna go right out to your side and back down. And then there is a third exercise of this circuit. This is where we're gonna bring our arms right up into a front raise and right back down. Just kind of like a zombie walking, in one of those Michael Jackson movies. So, are we ready? We start in 5 seconds with our overhead presses. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Now, form is everything on an overhead press. This is where people get injured by being sloppy, but not us. Our Sunny family is diligent with our form. We keep our core really tight and our bodies still. There's no sway or arch of our back. Abs are holding us up. 3, 2, and 1. So that's 20 seconds of work just like that. No problem, right? We're gonna get into those lateral raises. The core is equally as important. Let's go. I like to keep a slight bend in my elbow. And now as you get tired, you may find a little bit of a bigger bend will help you out. Abs are tight. This is as much a core exercise as it is for the shoulders. 3, 2, 1. Okay, cool. Now we're 2 in, 6 to go. Back to those overhead presses, and I'm gonna show you a variation. This time you can have your palms facing each other, 20 seconds. So this is called a neutral grip. And for some people, this may feel better on your shoulders. Now we'll never ever press through pain, but even when both are healthy motions, one may feel better for you than the other. Go with that. 3, 2, 1. All right, for our front raises, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna go with 1 dumbbell. I encourage you to join me. These are hefty on the abs and shoulders. Core is tight. Here we go. We raise up just to shoulder height and right back down. If I see any of this, I know we're not doing the right thing here. We're gonna hold the body still, squeeze the glutes, squeeze the quads, squeeze the belly button towards the spine. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. Good, we are halfway done, and let me tell you, my shoulders are on fire. Ready? Back to Boulder City, here we go. Straight up, straight down. Core is tight. If you feel your form start to go, you reduce your weight, or you can even keep going, make a fist and press straight up. I promise you, you'll still feel those shoulders if you hold good form. That's it, we have 3, 2, 1, rest. Back to our lateral raises, the second and final time of these. This one moves quick. Let's go, starting now, 20 seconds. Now notice I'm not going up any higher than my shoulders. That's on purpose, right? We're just worried here about keeping our core tight, letting our shoulders move as far up as they comfortably can. That's it. 3, 2, 1, rest. Last set of these overhead presses. I'm gonna show you one more variation just for fun. Let's go with Arnold presses, palms face in, palms face forward, back to facing you, back to facing forward. These are called Arnold presses for the one and only Arnold of the strength training world. You know who I'm talking about. That's it. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Good, I'm gonna drop that weight so I can use just my one weight for our final 20 seconds. Front raises, let's bring it home. Let's go, 20 seconds. Right up, right down. All right, so while this is a shoulder workout for sure, you've really worked your core if you've done things right. Maybe even your glutes to help to stabilize you. Well done. For me, my being out of breath tells me I've worked my cardiovascular system too. I hope you feel the same way. Team, really and truly, you've done your work. We're just gonna stretch by taking one arm, reaching behind your back, holding onto that wrist, and then pulling across your body just like this. That's it, same thing on the other side. So this has been an awesome 5-minute shoulder intensive Tabata workout. This is part of our bite-size series, and if you are hungry for more, find us on our YouTube channel and stack them up. I'll see you soon.